Brian back here with another look at Caspa. We got a lot to cover here today. We got a new listing. We got some stuff going on here. Looks like price might be wanting to push higher. So let's get going here, guys. Let's first off, let's go over here. Having a build up here in some wallets. We're now up to 241,278. You can see the last 24 hours. Been some stacking going on here. And if we go down here to the address distribution, 176,000 on October 9th. Okay, and now we are up to 180,969. All right, so you can see definitely been a lot of stacking going on in here. If you want to freeze the frame and look at it, you're more than welcome to. I'll go up through here. You can see the quite a bit of adding going on here. So a lot of people out there starting to stack in here. Last 7 days, everything is up. Last 30 days, the only thing down is humpbacks. So you can see the look at this, plus 2.2, plus 3.8, plus 2.7, plus 4.4 in dolphins. That's 100,000 to 1 million. That's some pretty big wallets. Plus 0.8 for the sharks and plus 2.2 for whales. So pretty impressive there. A lot of you can see a lot of people coming in here and piling into this thing. Here's the this is from Coin Codex. New listing, Caspa now on Poloniex. Poloniex. I'm sorry, I pronounced that wrong. It's Poloniex. It's actually a really big exchange. I'm going to show it to you guys real fast because this there we go. Actually a pretty large crypto exchange. We're going to go over there right now and I'm going to show you this site because you know, they're not small by any means. All right, you can see here pretty well established exchange. They've been around for quite a while now. I've heard of these guys a long time ago. So nice exchange. They do a lot of business, so it's good to see that we're listed on there now. That's obviously a big thing. Seeing if we were in the top trending on here. Let's take a look. Let's look up Caspa right on here once. Where can we start? Where can we search it at? Markets. Top gainers. Top trending. Thought maybe KSPA. So what's going on here? I do not see it. Let's look here. Spot. Let's go back to this tweet once here. New listing, Caspa now on Poloniex, Caspa and USDT. Trade Caspa. Let's just click on the link and go right over there. There we go, Caspa USDT. Alright. I don't know why I couldn't pull it up there, but there we go. It is on there, so that's fantastic. Obviously, that's going to bring in some more money for some more liquidity. Let's get down through here real quick here. Poloniex, key highlights. Total market cap 1.3. We're up to 1.3 trillion now. 1.31. No, that's the total market cap of crypto. Jeez. I was gonna say, holy cow. That would be pretty incredible. No, that's the whole market cap here. Okay, but that's great. That's what we needed. We needed another exchange listing. After launching on the Bybit and Coin1 exchanges earlier this year, Caspa scored another victory by getting listed on Poloniex. After an amazing performance in 2023 so far, Caspa is showing an incredible 920% year-to-date gains. That's awesome. 9x. The Caspa community has another reason to celebrate as the Caspa coin is listed on yet another major crypto exchange. As announced in a recent tweet, Poloniex has joined the ranks of Bybit, Coin One, and others by adding support for native Caspa trading. This latest listing continues the tremendous momentum Caspa has experienced throughout 2023, with the price surging over 900% year to date. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. So, great to see. That's what we need, obviously. Boy, I can't wait till the real big ones come. Wait till, we get Coinbase or Binance or something like that. You know it's coming. I mean, imagine the liquidity. Excuse me. Imagine the liquidity that's going to bring in. That's going to be amazing. All right, let's move on here, guys. The crypto bubbles. Here's for the day. Let's see. Let's pull Caspa up here. There we go. Rank number 45. $1.1 billion market cap, 11.77 million in 24-hour volume. All right, let's go over here to the charts. Got some stuff to show you here too. Some pretty awesome stuff going on out there today. Look at this. Bitcoin dominance is taking a little bit of a crash. It hit that 1618, got rejected so far, and taking a little bit of a dump here. Got the daily RSI coming down on this thing. Let's check out the weekly. The weekly's at the top. Excuse me. And still bullish though. 93 and a 92. And the monthly is still going up at a 94 and an 89. Alright, so not much of a dump, but it is having a little bit of a pullback here. So obviously that's going to help the altcoins. We need this thing to really take a dump and Bitcoin price to keep going up. Alright, Bitcoin itself broke out of this, excuse me, broke out of this wedge right here. I did a video the other day right before it broke out. Now it's retraced that move and came back down here to support pretty much right where, if we extend this out. Let's take a look here. Look at that. Pretty much right back into that wedge. Right back into the formation here. Alright, the 8-hour RSI is on the bottom. The 12-hour is just about reset. And you got your daily pulling down. Alright, you got your weekly still heading up. And the monthly still heading up. So, we'll have to see here. Looks like it's a 4-hour. 4 hours just starting up here. So, like to see this thing break out that top side and not be a fake out here. Quite honestly, I truly believe it's going to break out the top here. I think Bitcoin just had a little bit of a pullback to get these RSIs pulled back down, and I think it's going to make another run here. All right, we got the Dow Jones up 300 points. That's good to see. 307, getting a bounce. I'll show you this wedge here. As soon as it loads up, there we go. Let's go out in the weekly. A little bit easier to see when you go out on the weekly time frame here. There we go. Yeah, just riding right on the outside of this. Look at that. Nice bounce though. We got that weekly just turning up, so hopefully the Dow Jones can start ripping out of here. It's been forming this wedge for, look at this, quite a long time, man. It's had this support forever. You do not want to see it lose this support line down here. That could turn out being tragic. Back here, this was COVID. Look what COVID did to the market back there. I remember that. That was absolutely insane. I remember watching crypto then and thinking, oh my God, it was, if you guys were around then, you know exactly what I'm talking about. That was nuts. Look at the Dixie. Look at this thing taking a drop today, which is nice to see. It's just been powerhousing up there. Hit that 50% retracement here, and put this on here. We're gonna hit that 50%, got a nice rejection here, so that's going to help the crypto market, obviously. That Dixie drop in the change of 1.131%, that's quite a bit for a day for this thing. You can see, as far as red candles go, that's a pretty decent one. Alright, let's move down through here. Gold's up $9. Alright, let's get to Caspa here. Alright, let's take a look at this chart, because we got some stuff happening here. Okay, now you can see this upper resistance level that we've been having problems with here at this 0.05, roughly 0.053. all right, the daily, look at this, we got a green daily candle. I believe this thing's going to make another run here and try to bust up through here. I really do. You got the daily RSI starting to turn back up. Look at this. Got a nice curve going on it. It's trying to turn back up. We got the 12-hour trying to turn back up here. All right, the nice green 12-hour candle started here. We got the 8-hour turned back up, and we got the 4-hour also turned back up here. All right, we had some bullish divergence here somewhere. Let me take a look here real quick. No, maybe not. I thought I believe that might have been another one I was looking at here. But if we open this up, you know, you can see we are right up in the top of this zone up here, that 786. You know, that 0.053, guys. We break that number, we're setting another new all-time high. There's no question about it. 0.053. Remember that. That is the top level of this resistance here. All right. We have the weekly RSI still bullish and heading up 38 to 32. All right. Now let's take a look and see how low these RSIs are. We're to 57 down here on the bottom. All right. So you can see, let me blow this up a little bit. You can see this thing has room to come up. Okay. The 12-hour, we're at a 56. All right, you can also see that has room to come up here. The 8-hour, that's at a 55. All right, so it's got room to come up, and the 4-hour is at a 54. All right, so these RSIs definitely have the potential to move this price up. Okay, we just got to wait for that 0.053. All right, we got the 4 heading up, the 8, the 12, the daily trying to turn back up, and we have the weekly. All right, so prepare for a possible run here. This could turn out being, you know, that 5th wave we've been waiting for here. Would be kind of an odd 4th wave pullback here. But it looks like, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like 5 waves up here. Maybe on a weekly time frame, it would look a little, don't look any better. I thought maybe it looked better out there, but it don't. You know, just ran up here and kind of ran out of gas. We need some volume coming in here. We got a little bit of volume coming in, 64 million right there. Let's see what the let's look at coin market cap real quick and look at the volume here and see if it was 11, almost 12 million bucks, but I want to see how much it's up for the day. Let's take a look. Yeah, we get some nice volume. It would be nice to get that one nice push here. Plus, I want to see what Poloniex is doing here for volume. Okay, down 9.17 in the last 24 hours. Let's look and see if Poloniex is doing much volume here. There we are right there. Yeah, 1 million. Not too bad. Almost as much as KuCoin. Look at that. Poloniex. So that's what I mean. And they're a pretty decent exchange. You can tell right there. You know, Gate actually 1.8 million. They outdid KuCoin there. Wow. Look at that. The top 3. If we click on volume. Actually, okay, MEXC was the top, 3.8, Gate, KuCoin, and Poloniex. So there you go. Poloniex jumps right up there. 9% of the volume last 24 hours. Not too bad. That's really going to pay off here, guys. That could push us up over the top, right? So keep an eye on that 0.053. We'll see if we can bust it and set a new all-time high. All right, thank you very much, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll be back to you soon. Have a great day, everybody.